A massive newly released AI-powered OS is about to replace Kali Linux, and the scary part is, it makes people look professional in minutes. That one sentence is living inside the heads of cybersecurity people right now. Is it real or is it hype? Because Kali has been the king for years. When someone says replace Kali, it sounds insane. But here's the problem. In 2026, the game is not about who has the most tools. It's about who can move the fastest without making dumb mistakes. And Kali, even though it's powerful, forces you to fight through complexity, tool overload, and tiny syntax errors that waste time and kill momentum. Today I'm going to show you something different. Not a fantasy OS, a real system that feels like Kali with a brain. An AI-first workflow that turns "I forgot the flags" into "just say what you want." It changes tools for you, helps you generate reports, and makes the whole pen testing process feel like it's evolving into a new era. Before going into the video, I need to strongly mention that this is for education and defensive awareness only. Don't use this for anything illegal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end. So let's get into the video soon. Now listen, I'm not here to disrespect Kali. Kali is still a monster, but what I'm exposing today is something Kali users don't like hearing. Your biggest enemy isn't a lack of tools. Your enemy is friction, the tiny things that slow you down, the constant switching between apps, the manual chaining from recon to scanning to exploitation to reporting, the feeling like you need to memorize everything just to do basic work. That's the reason so many beginners install Kali, then quit after 2 days. Not because they're lazy, because the workflow is heavy, and that's exactly where Parrot OS 7.0 comes in like a problem solver. Not claiming magic, not replacing your brain, but giving you an AI layer that reduces mistakes, connects tools, and keeps you moving. So in this video, I'm going to show you the biggest pain points Kali creates. Then I'll show you how Parrot's AI workflow attacks those problems directly. And when you see it, you'll understand why people are starting to doubt Kali's crown. Kali Linux is powerful, but recon on Kali is where most people get humbled fast. The moment you start scanning, one small mistake turns into wasted time. Forget a flag, run the wrong syntax, misunderstand output, and suddenly you're stuck. And this isn't some rare problem. If you spend 5 minutes reading posts on communities like r/Kali Linux, you'll see the same story again and again. Beginners struggling with basic tool usage, command structure, permissions, and why didn't this run? Kali has hundreds of tools, and that makes it legendary, but it also makes it heavy for anyone who isn't already sharp. This is where Parrot OS 7.0 changes the feeling completely. With Hexstrike AI-style features and its agent-driven workflow mindset, you don't start by memorizing, you start by describing what you want. Instead of trying to remember every scan option under pressure, you can speak normally and let the AI layer suggest the right direction. You want service detection, version checks, quick web scanning steps. Parrot's AI flow helps you reach that faster without the same constant trial and error cycle. It's not magic hacking, it's time saving and mistake reduction. The real difference is mental load. Kali expects you to already know your next move. Parrot's AI approach helps you decide faster, and that makes you move with confidence instead of hesitation. And once recon becomes clean and simple, the next stage becomes obvious. Because the real pain is not scanning, it's connecting everything together after scanning. Kali's biggest hidden weakness is not the tools, it's the tool silos. Everything is there, but everything feels separated. You do recons in one place, you do analysis in another, you jump into exploitation workflows somewhere else. Then reporting becomes a separate nightmare. You're constantly moving results from one step to the next, like you're carrying buckets of water by hand. And if you read Kali forum discussions, one thing repeats hard. People struggle to chain the phases properly unless they already have experience. That's why advanced users end up writing their own scripts and automation just to make Kali feel smooth. Beginners don't build automation. They get stuck in a loop of what next. Parrot OS 7.0 pushes a different idea. The AI Agent Hub concept is built around connection. Instead of isolated tools, the workflow becomes coordinated. RECON results feed scanning. Scanning feeds exploitation planning. Documentation starts building while the process is still happening. It feels less like tool shopping and more like running a controlled pipeline. And here's why this matters in real life. The entire cybersecurity industry is already obsessed with automation. Products sell playbooks, workflow automation, AI triage because scale breaks humans. Too many alerts, too many targets, too many moving parts. Orchestration isn't a luxury anymore. It's survival. That's why the Agent Hub style workflow hits so hard. You're not fighting the tools, you're driving a system. But there's one thing that can ruin everything when you bring AI into security. Speed without safety becomes a trap. And this is where AI can betray you. AI inside security workflows is powerful, but it can also be dangerous. Because AI is not a perfect brain. It can be manipulated. It can misunderstand, it can hallucinate, and the most dangerous part is how confident it sounds while being wrong. This is why prompt injection became a serious topic in 2024 and 2025. Researchers and security reports warn that AI systems can be pushed into unsafe behavior through malicious instructions hidden inside content like text, web pages, or documents. That means AI isn't only helping you. AI itself becomes a target. Kali doesn't protect you from this by default because Kali isn't built as an AI-first OS. Kali gives you tools, and if you add AI on top, you're responsible for the safety layer. Most people won't even think about that. They'll chase speed and assume the assistant is always correct. That's where things go wrong fast. Parrot OS 7.0's Hexstrike AI validator style angle is important because it tackles this problem directly. Instead of blindly trusting every input, the system tries to validate and harden prompts, detect suspicious behavior patterns, and block unsafe directions. That changes the risk level. It's not saying AI is invincible, it's saying AI needs guardrails, especially when you're dealing with security tasks where wrong decisions can waste hours or cause damage. So now the story shifts. It's not just Parrot is faster, it becomes Parrot is faster, and it also tries to keep the AI from being tricked. And once you solve speed and safety, the next thing that decides who looks professional is the part everyone hates: reporting. Reporting is where pen testing becomes painful. Testing is exciting. Documentation is where time dies. You finish your work, then you still have to write everything: what you found, how it happened, the risk level, the impact, the timeline, the proof, the fixes. That's why so many professionals reuse templates, repeat the same structure, and still spend long hours turning technical results into something readable. This problem is so real that entire tools and platforms exist just to help with pen test reporting and documentation automation. Nobody builds those systems if reporting is easy. Kali doesn't solve reporting by default. Kali gives you raw power to find things, but once the findings are there, you still do the paperwork manually. And that manual work is the part that makes people feel burnt out. It doesn't feel like hacking anymore. It feels like office work. Parrot OS 7.0's Agent Hub Reporter concept is a big upgrade because it flips that pain. Instead of spending hours typing summaries, the workflow can generate structured reporting outputs faster, with a clean layout, timelines, and risk-focused summaries. And the most important part is consistency. Humans get tired and skip details. An automated report generator doesn't get tired. It keeps the structure clean. That's why the Kali is dead headline gets attention, even if it's not literally true. Because this is not about Kali being weak. It's about Parrot reducing the friction that makes Kali feel heavy. So the smartest move in 2026 isn't worshiping one OS. It's using the workflow that gives you speed, control, safety, and clean reporting without wasting your time. So here's the truth after everything you just saw. Kali Linux is not dead. It's still legendary, and it still has insane power. But Parrot OS 7.0 is doing something Kali doesn't do by default. It's reducing friction with AI-style workflows. It's turning tool overload into guided action. It's connecting phases that Kali users normally chain manually. It's adding safety thinking for AI prompts. And it's making reporting faster, which is the part that secretly destroys time. So no, this isn't magic, but it is the future direction. AI amplification plus security tools. If you want to try it, install Parrot in a VM and test it in your lab. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. We will meet again soon. Goodbye for now.